Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. As mentioned before, we will be using AutoCAD 2021 version. But since this is the Beginner's Guide, you can also use the older versions as we are not going to use any advanced commands. So you can use any version. Upon starting the AutoCAD, you will see this initial screen where you can click on Start Drawing to get this initial screen afterwards. Here you can see this is application menu. Next, this is the quick access toolbar. This is in canvas controls. These are the drawing file tab. This is the complete ribbon. Here is the view cube. This is the navigation bar. This is the status bar. Here is the command line, and this is the user coordinate system, what we call as UCS. This is our pointer which moves all along. At any moment you need help, you can simply press F1. Now let's see some other features. Before that, we will simply close this help option. We will go to home and then I will draw a circle just to show you some commands like zoom in, zoom out, zoom extend and pan. By using the wheel of your mouse, which is the middle mouse button, you can simply zoom in and zoom out. From this option, you can zoom in to extend. It can also be done by double-clicking the middle mouse button. And if you press and hold the middle mouse button, you can simply pan the screen. If you right-click and go to Options, under Display tab, you can see a color theme. You can choose dark or light. Well, I prefer the light theme. And for colors, I recommend white color. However, you can change it to any other as per your convenience. By applying and pressing OK, you will apply all the changes that you have done in options. This is the working space. There are three working spaces available in AutoCAD: drafting and annotations, 3D basics and 3D modeling. By default, the drafting and annotation workspace is activated. You can create 2D drawings in this workspace. You can also activate other workspaces by using the workspace drop-down on the top left corner of the workspace switching menu on the lower right corner of the windows. Here, these are the different panels and these are the different commands. Here is the application menu. Different type of commands can be activated from here, like you can create a new file, you can open an old file, you can save, you can publish, export or import, or simply exit the whole file. This is the quick access bar from where you can open, save, import or export without any delay, just with the help of a single click. These ones are the graphic windows. So if you have more than one drawings, you can simply open them easily, like you do while browsing on internet. Here are the in-canvas controls, from where you can change the viewport settings, you can change the different styles of 3D models. And here is the view cube, from where you can change the orientations for top view, side view, and isometric views. In navigation wheel, you have different options like zoom extents, orbits, and so on. You will get familiar with them with the passage of time. This is the command bar where you can press any shortcuts. We will be learning some shortcuts in the next session. Next, we will see some very important commands like here we have ortho mode. In ortho mode, if we activate it, we simply get the 90 degrees and its multiples. In polar, we just get some specific angles like 45 degrees and its multiples. And in snap object, we can change all these settings and it will help us in referencing. For instance, we have a circle, we can get its center and other quadrants. Similarly, the intersecting points, the midpoints, and so on. So we will discuss them one by one when we will be practicing our main exercises. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.